Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of compromise. You can settle a dispute through mutual concession. For example, in the end we compromised and deferred the issue. The second definition of compromise. Accept lower standards than what is desirable. For example, we were not prepared to compromise on safety. American pronunciation. Compromise. Compromise. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Compromise. Say. Compromise. Compromise means settle dispute by mutual concession. Compromise. Compromise. Compromise origin. Late Middle English denoting mutual agreement to arbitration. From Old French compromis, Late Latin compromissum, a consent for arbitration, neuter present participle compromitter, from com, together, plus promitere see promise. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Political compromises have been agreed on all sides. Now, repeat after me. Political compromises have been agreed on all sides. The second practice. So the struggle to find workable compromises gets harder. Now, repeat after me. So the struggle to find workable compromises gets harder.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.